For some parts, we're gonna put a new air filter in Betty and change the oil filter, and then we cleared two of her codes so far. Still working on the last one. Pretty much we had some rodent damage and the repair had come loose, so I had to do a better job of my wiring where the rodent had chewed through. So it was a field repair. It lasted fairly well. And pretty much oh, we're gonna put some diff fluid in her front diff because she's got a little good drip, so we're gonna make sure it's topped off before we leave for Thanksgiving weekend. We're probably gonna be on trail for quite a while, so we want to make sure everything's tip top.
Okay, we had just put in what, a quart and a half?
No, not even. Just a quart.
A quart of new gear oil into my JK.
Dripping oil.
Because I'm dripping oil. We just added some to it because it still has to mark its territory. So now we're making sure the bolts are tight.
What?
I'm talking to your camera. Get off the gunk.
That's pretty beat up.
Yeah.
Pound it on. That's snugged up.
Yeah, you actually timed it a lot pretty good.
There's not much left of this poor bolt. Alright, that's about as tight as it's gonna get.
Alright. Brake inspection.
No. Got about 10,000 miles left.
Oh, I can take them back?
Well, no, you go pretty quick.
And tire rotation.
Move your rocks. Put it down in the rocks. Alright, what do we get accomplished today?
We rotated my tires.
Yes.
We filled my pumpkin with gear oil.
And tightened it.
Tightened the bolts.
Oh, I didn't notice. Is it still dripping? It's probably, maybe we stopped at the drip. What else? Oh, you're ruining my shot now.
Oh, alright.
There you go.
How much did people hear me? We gave you new air filter, oil filter, and added
half a quart.
Yeah, a little bit of oil to yours.
Check your brakes.
Checked my brakes, and we decided that they were still alright. We didn't need them, so I'm going to go take them back. I need the money more than I need brakes sitting around. That's it.
Your codes.
The most important thing, we cleared the codes. We checked the EGR valve. It said that
That saying it's got a
wires
bad ground or something, but I separated the wires.
Changed, the connectors on the wires to the.
Oh, that wasn't. What was that?
That was the
Thingamabobber?
the valve sensor.
Something like that. The other one's the EGR sensor.
Yeah. But hey, I don't have an engine light, and I drove it a little bit, and so I'm good for now. Hopefully it stays that way.
That's probably your last tire rotation.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna need tires.
Yeah. You're on Alturo Maypops here now pretty soon.
Oh.
They're gonna be slicks. Dune tires. Yeah. We probably will hit that. I imagine so. We don't know where we're going. We thought Grand Canyon, but we heard it's 9 degrees in Grand Canyon, so
Yeah, it's a little too cold.
we might just go for a peek. I want to see the Grand Canyon.
Hey, I'm fine with that.
We'll take a peek and say, "Brr, fuck this, get the hell out of here."
The
Vacation.
vacation.
Yeah, we'll wave at it, take a
Yeah,
picture.
it's hot. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Time to go. It's cold. All right, well, that's our weekend. It's been maintenance. We got a little bit of a yard sale going on here at the hotel. Got chargers and... Oh, shit.
What? Let's see if I forgot something.
Yeah.
What did I forget?
Come on, you're blind. I'm filming it right now.
My fender?
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
Well, we got to put it on.
Yeah.
So we still got a fender we got to put on before we can put the tools away. And we got underneath the car. Check. Oh, we also, your rattle noise.
Yes! What was it? The,
Heat shield on the exhaust.
Oh my god, that was embarrassing.
The welds
Better hose clamp.
the welds that both popped, and it was rattling like, oh my
It was
god,
bad.
it was terrible.
It was embarrassing.
So we put a hose clamp on it, and it tightened it up pretty good. So the rattle is not there anymore. Here's all our tools out. This is all the crap we carry around just when we go camping. We carry everything that's out here is in the Jeeps. When we go camping or anywhere, it's all in the Jeeps, all this junk. Plus our camping gear and whatnot. So we generally are, we try to be well equipped. We try to be ready for any circumstance.
Yeah, and if you don't have a jack, although we have the pilot.
That's for the high lift. What do you mean if you don't have a jack?
Such an awesome product.
Oh yeah, for the high lift?
Oh, upside down. Yeah.
Yeah, it works well. It's not gonna work with the...
I know, but I'm just showing you.
Yeah,
Goes in there.
it
Pilot
locks.
attaches to that.
It locks the high lift onto the D-ring, so
You're
that
not gonna have any.
neither of them they can't come off. It can't come apart. So it doesn't rock back and forth, or there's no rocking at all. It can't come apart. Very, very improves the safety level of using a high lift 100-fold.
Yeah.
Highly recommended. I don't even know what the heck it's called. Bring it over here so we can show the name of it. It's not cheap. It was $150.
151.60.
$151.60. She remembers. She don't remember nothing, and she can remember that.
Jeep needs.
Yeah, that is if you got a high lift and you have D-ring recovery points on all four corners, that is a must-have.
They sell them in different colors too.
Oh, different colors. Ooh. All right, we're out. It's time to clean up shop and beer 30.
Beer 30.
I earned it.
I was gonna say it's beer 30.
I earned it.
I'm ready.
All right, you can take me to the bar.
Okay.
Say bye-bye, YouTube.